There's headquarters here. He's got his car out, so I don't know what he's doing. But we'll go have a look. Brother, what's going on, Crackers?
Hey, Des.
What are you doing?
Oh, mate, I've got a bit on.
Mate,
It's all happening.
where's the drawers?
I've pulled out the Black Widow drawers.
Wow.
I've got an idea.
Oh, here we go. What's going on here?
Mate, I've got hold of Trig Point Canopies.
What's this?
And we are going to
Have you put me into it, have you?
take off this tub
Yeah.
and the canopy here, and we're going to install this canopy. We're going to go down to the Unique 4x4. They're going to install it. They're going to give us an insight on how to do it. So,
When did this happen?
very quickly, mate. I had a light bulb moment, and I thought, this is ridiculous. I was sick of trying to go through these little windows to get gear out of behind the fridge and all that sort of stuff. I'm going to put a big 12-volt system in here, inverter, probably a 4,000 watt inverter into it. I'm going to have the fridge slide, probably a drop-down fridge slide. I'm going to have a water tank, probably a 70 litre water tank in there, mate. So we can just keep touring Australia.
You gonna put some drawers in there?
Yeah, I'll probably enlist the help of Drifter and have a little kitchen.
Beautiful.
So we'll be good to go, buddy.
We'll have a couple of kitchens in there, a couple of fridges, a good 12-volt system to put all our camera gear on there.
Yeah, that's right. You know, we need to charge all our drone.
I like my coffee, but he's looking at, what do you want to do? Put a little coffee machine.
I'm going to have a coffee machine. I'm going to run a coffee machine. I'm going to run a travel buddy, so we can cook a roast on the way.
Wow.
Mate, this is going to be the mod con.
So I came over for a couple of beers, and it looks like we're going to be here all weekend.
We'll be here all weekend, mate. We're going to pull the tub out. So I've already pulled out a lot of the wiring and pulled all the drawers out. I'm going to pull off the rear bar. Already sold all this sort of stuff. So, mate, we'll be good to go.
Yeah.
Very shortly. I just need you under the car just to start undoing some bolts or have a couple of cold beers.
Yeah,
I've
nice
already
one.
done all the hard work,
Yeah,
so
nice
you get into
one.
it.
We got the winch, so are we going to lift the whole tub out in one
Yeah,
go?
we'll lift it all out in one go. I'll probably just rig up some tail lights so we can drive it down to a Unique 4x4 and then...
And where are they, Unique 4x4?
They're just down in Carrum Downs, I believe. Yeah,
Okay,
so
in Victoria?
In Victoria. Caught up with the boys a few weeks ago and said to them, you know, this is what I want to do, and so they're all on board. And we'll go down there and they'll give us an insight on how they do it. But we'll do most of the work here with the tub and stuff just to get it out of the way, and then all systems go, brother.
Beautiful.
Loving it.
Alright, so a bit of work to do this weekend. A bit of fun, and probably get a couple of beers, probably get another couple of pizzas again.
Yeah, exactly. You're on the light and easy, mate, so
yes, I am.
No pizza for you, but Crackers will have a couple of bits, no doubt.
Yeah.
Just to rub it in.
Alright, guys. All our pieces in there, so that's going to go on Mick's car, yeah?
Yeah, Mick's laughing, it's all wired up, ready to go, straight into the loom.
Yeah, same car.
Under the Hilux. The exact same car, well his is 2015 model, but
It should fit.
all the same rear end, same body shape, so...
Oh, jeez, tight. Jeez.
What's going on here, Des? Give us a look. That's not a bar, mate, this is the bar.
Right then.
So you do it, Des.
Do you want it any bigger? Yeah, that works. We'll be here for Christmas though.
Good exercise for you, mate. Rather than you lying on your back down there, you should be doing this.
I'm doing good down here. Really thanks.
How's that? Loosened up?
Nah, keep going.
You got to teach him a lot of this stuff. He's got no idea, Mick.
Mate, I'm the only one that's underneath the car. These guys are doing jack shit. Alright, let's do the other one.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Oh,
What happened?
Sort of wedged everything in there, mate.
What the
It loosened
hell
up
have you
really
done
nice,
there?
and now it doesn't want to go.
So you've put it off.
Well done, Mick.
You put it off, and now you can't get the
Any normal bloke would probably use one of these, and that way you don't get jammed.
But
Tell you what, it's hard to soar like an eagle when you're surrounded by turkeys.
I'm not a normal bloke.
we're talking about Mick here too, aren't we? So
I'm surprised he didn't get his hand jammed in there.
now he's trying to switch it to the other side so he can
Do it back up.
do it back up,
Yeah.
but he can't.
Oi.
Yeah, he's clicked it.
Good on you, Mick.
Oh
Well done,
mate,
you did it.
something that takes five minutes.
Next time we'll use one of these, eh?
Nuts popped out again.
That's what happens when you work in IT, Mick.
Oh.
No idea about ratchets and spanners.
Right up. So we just did the bolts. We're just preparing to lift the tub off. So just clipping it on. We've got the winch right up in the roof. So we'll just lift it up slightly, see if there's anything else getting hung up, and then we'll pull it completely off.
Actually, Mick, can you grab me that? Someone grab me that shackle.
Which way? Clockwise, anti-clockwise.
Anti, mate. Anti.
It's nice to see you learn from your mistakes,
Righty,
Mick.
tighty, lefty, loosey.
Righty. Gotcha.
Got that?
Do you want
Get that Mickiness into
do
you.
you want me to call my sisters and see if she can do it?
How about your son?
Yeah, he's 8. He's probably got his hand in there.
Absolutely, mate.
So, crackers is the moment.
Everyone stand clear. It's all about health and safety here at Des and Crackers 4x4 headquarters. Yeah, we're just about to lift the tub off, all bullshit aside. 4 bolts underneath. Take all the looms and everything off. Make sure everything's disconnected. The other little trick that you got to be very wary of is the little latch that comes out here. You need to pop that one off. It just unscrews.
So that's the release.
Don't do what Des just did and pops it off and breaks the clip, doesn't he?
We know,
Anyway.
we know that you did that, not me.
We'll let him be.
I was trying to work it out, and he's just gone bang,
Yeah,
and
well,
snap it off. All right,
that's
so
on the list to do. When the new tub goes on, the canopy goes on, I'm sure the boys down at Unique will sort us out and put a new clip on there for us, so you won't have to worry about buying a new one for me, Des. Anyway, we all good to go. So probably get you just having a look under there, Mick, to make sure no cables are stuck.
Yep, there are clips.
Got the strap out of the way. First time we've ever taken the tub off any vehicle for that matter, but it's all a lesson to be learned. We didn't want to crush the wheel arches, so Mick's finally taken those off for us. Yeah, the please. He didn't break any clips, so good on you, Mick. Well done. Happy days. Alright, we'll try again. Test 2.
in our next episode, we finally get the tub off and start preparing the truck for the Trig Point Canopy.